Is it working?
Yeah, it says record.
All right. Are you ready? Get that pimple off the mountain. Get that pimple off the mountain. Kill that rock.
Oh, to hurt the pimple.
Get that pimple off the mountain. What do you think, Mommy?
I think that's funny.
Oh, I'm going down that mountain too. Oh, wow, that hurts. Oh, don't worry, Pimples, I'll save you.
Maybe that wasn't a good idea, Daddy.
Here's a good idea. I'm going through the tunnel. I'm going through the tunnel. I can do it.
No, you can't.
Butt crack.
Tunnel. I'm too big. Get in there, Pimples. What's in there? Get the snowbots in there. Get into the other side.
You came out the other side.
Dad! Knee-high! What you doing?
Why are you screaming?
Look, I can lay down. Have some nap.
All right, we're gonna go to Catherine's for a while. You want to go?
Happy New Year.
Look.
Do you want to come?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get changed up so we can go.
Yeah.
I think we got pretty much everything.